Hey guys, in today's do-it-yourself vlog video, I am going to be showing you how I created this glamorous DIY wall decor. Now you guys, if that sounds interesting, make sure you keep watching. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, let's get this glamorous DIY wall art project started. And guys, I did forget to show you me painting the picture, but you guys, I'm using this diamond bling adhesive from BB Craft. So BB Craft is this portion of the video. I am going to trim the edge in the center of this mirror with these strips. Now these strips are self-adhesive. I'm going to include those links down in my description box. So guys, this is going to be a very simple and easy tutorial, so make sure you follow me along. I'm just pulling off the adhesive strip and lining it up. I did cut my outer pieces in 5 rows, and I'm going to be cutting the inner strips in 4 rows. So that's what I done here. So just follow me along. And once again, you guys, this is a very simple and easy DIY wall decor project. Anyone, and I mean anyone, if you are a beginner crafter, this is easy enough for you to do. So you guys, please make sure you follow along in the video, and always drop me comments. Talk to me in those comments. I like hearing from you guys. And once again, thank you guys for the growth on the channel. We are on the road to that 50K. We can't make it there without you, so thank you for all of your faithful loyal love and support, you guys. And also don't forget to share the channel with your family and your friends. We truly do appreciate it so very much. I've been also receiving questions about these scissors I'm using. You guys, these are those Betty Crocker scissors, and I actually did purchase these from Dollar Tree. You heard me right, they came from Dollar Tree, you guys. I do like how they cut, and I will share one of my tips or my hacks with you guys. I use several scissors at a time because I use them for different projects. Like this scissor here, you see me cutting rhinestone, this diamond rhinestone sheet. Well, if I cut paper, I use a separate scissor. So the type of the material means I'll use a different scissors. And you guys, that's how you keep your blades sharp as possible. We'll tell you, if you're messing with any of this self-adhesive stuff, please make sure you do cut it before you expose the adhesiveness on the back, because any scissors, once it gets that adhesive or the tackiness or the glue off or something, it does drastically shorten your lifespan of the scissors. So if you want to keep your scissors in tip-top shape, make sure you use various scissors for different projects. Also, when I use the crushed diamond epoxy, which is like a drop in of the diamonds, I use a separate set of scissors for those as well. My accessories I am using to dress up this mirror is this crystal diamond rhinestone sheet, and it is featured by bbcraft.com. Please make sure you check that link down in the description box. And if you are a content creator or crafter and you would like to partner with BB Craft, I got that information in the description as well. All they require is that you have 100 followers and that you post 4 videos for them with the supplies. That information is in the description, so make sure you check it out.
I'm so caught in this, we're so lost.
And we're bringing this DIY to a close. Make sure you stay tuned. I will show you a clip on how it is styled in my space. And with that being said, you guys, thank you for rocking out with your girl. Now, if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in my next upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed, and once again, stay positive.